Hey there, developers. I'm Serenity Caldwell at Apple. Did you miss day one at DubDub? Well, let's go back in time.
Good morning, and welcome to WWDC.
iOS 15 is here. Maps got an intuitive 3D redesign. Safari looks new on iPhone, iPad, and Mac, and we introduced the amazing live text.
How cool is that?
We took FaceTime calls to the next level with spatial audio and portrait mode. And with SharePlay, you can now share your screen or listen to music or watch a TV show with your friends all in sync across your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV.
This is where you come in. We're offering new APIs to start playback that are designed to fit right into your app's existing video experience.
And speaking of, now Apple TV sounds even better with head-tracked spatial audio support. And with Find My Separation alerts, you'll never leave your AirPods behind. iCloud Plus keeps your online activity away from data collectors. App Library is on iPad now, and check out how to place widgets among apps on your home screen. AirPlay is coming to Mac, and a big round of applause for universal control. Look how I move between different devices as if they were one. Look how I drag and drop files. Look how cool I am. We took a big step with walking steadiness. You can share your health data with your family and your doctors with the Health app, or try some Tai Chi, Pilates, and mindfulness on your Apple Watch. Let's get back on track. Later this year, we're bringing ID cards to Wallet, home keys to unlock your home with just one tap, and say hello to Siri on third-party devices.
We believe Siri is most powerful when it's available throughout your house.
Then we learned about Xcode Cloud, how to stay in the zone with focus mode,
These tools help reduce distractions so that people can be in the moment.
how to build apps in Swift Playgrounds, Swift Concurrency, Swift UI. That's so many Swifts. Powerful new tools for developing high-end games, object capture for ARKit, and APIs for SharePlay.
Now we're all looking at the same canvas to draw together.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Not bad for day one, eh? Now, here's a peek at what happens tomorrow. Stay tuned for more amazing stuff. It'll be a great week.